My name is Shweta Rathore and I have qualified CSIR Net LS December 2018 with rank 33. For qualifying any exam, hard work is very important. I always wanted to be a researcher, and for that I had to qualify NET exam. Basically, to prepare for CSIR NET exam, one should have a focused goal. It requires smart study, revision and time management. I used to practice 50 to 100 questions daily and revise my notes daily. But without proper guidance and directions, it won't be possible for me. So for me, BioTecNika played an important role. BioTecNika helped me to come out the fair of CSIR NET exam. Teachers of BioTecNika are very supportive. Their way of teaching and knowledge is outstanding. Topics which I used to think I won't be able to understand are very difficult for me. BioTecNika teachers helped me to understand those topics and guided me to achieve my goal. I am very thankful to all the faculty members of BioTecNika. Thank you.